Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the list topic in Python programming. So, about list, values and accessing elements, list or mutable, traversing a list. So, these are the contents that we are going to see in the topic list. So, what is list? A list will be the collection of items or elements, the sequence of date in a list which has been ordered. So, like string, lists are also a series of values in Python. In a string, all the values are of character type, but in a list, values can be of any type. The values in a list are called elements or items. The elements or items can be accessed by their position, that is indices. So, like all other variables, lists are also defined before they are used. There are several ways of defining or creating a list. The most convenient way is using square bracket. So here we can see how we can declare the list. So here we can have like chocolate, hello, Python programming, and below above that we can see the integers with the minus symbol, and in list 3 we can see the combination of strings and values, and list 4 with the brackets. So list 1 contains only the numerals that are integers. In list 2 it contains string. List contains 3 different types of elements: string, float and integer. List is contained in another list. The list is nested within another list. Copying the list. In Python, we can make a duplicate or copy of an existing list. The general syntax using the assignment operator. So here we have the integers, and here the list original has been copied to the another variable. So a list can be copied with the dot operator. So the problem with copying the list in this way is that if we can modify the new list, the old list has also been modified. Here the old list has been given, new list, and it has been again appended using the appends function. So here we have old list, new list, and that has been appended with A. So here is it how the it has been appended by using the print. And here we have the mixed type, like we have the strings and integers. So how we can copy? Okay, so mixed type here with the variable list and list. So copying a list with list dot copy, and it is being copied to another variable. So adding the element to the new, that is append with dog. So again it has to be added with dog word. So we have to print new and old list. So here is how we are going to print it. So there are two ways to make a copy of a list. One is using the two dot operators and using, that is colon, and using built-in copy function. So here we have like copying a list using slicing. We say it is the particular dot, two dots, that is like semicolon. So it is, here we are going to name the word as slicing. So adding element to the new list, that is by using the append keyword, and how we can print the new and the old list. Using built-in copy function, Python has built-in copy function which can be used to make copy of an existing list. So in order to use the copy function, first we have to import it. So by using the import from copy, import copy, that is mean from the particular file we are going to import the library files. So the list copy, here is a variable name. So copy of the list original is, we are going to copy particular list to the copy, and we are going to list copy files. List are mutable. The value of any element inside the list can be changed at any point of time. The elements of the list are accessible with their index value. The index always starts with 0 and ends with n-1 if the list contains n elements, using square brackets around the variables and index number. Example, here we have list 10, 20, 30, 40, and we have List 1 means the first index is 20. That is, it starts from 0, 1. So the one value is 20. And list 3 means it gives 50 when it have the value 50. The fourth element is changed to 50 now. So slicing can be best visualized by considering the index to be between the element as shown. So the slicing want to access a range 2 index that will slice that portion from the list. So we have example here is programmers. So here it starts the position from 0 and it has up to 9. So the slicing wants to access a range and is 2 index that will slice that portion from the list. So we have to start from -1, okay, to up to -9. So traversing a list. Next is, so it list means accessing all the elements or item of the list. Traversing can be done by using any conditional statement of Python, but it is preferable to use for loop. Example, A, B, C, D for X in list. So we define a list of some elements using for loop. The list is traversed and all elements that are printed. So list summary. So list are also a series of values in Python, and a string, all the values are of character type, but in a list values can be of any type. The values in a list are called elements or items. Python, we can make a duplicate or copy of an existing list. Slicing can be best visualized by considering the index to be between the elements. The value of any element inside the list can be changed at any point of time. Traversing a list means accessing all the elements or item of the list. Keywords: list, elements, item, duplicate, accessing. Here we have some MCQ questions. Accessing all the items in a list. In Python, series or sequence of different data item is called. Which of the following function will give the total length of? And which of the following function will be used to add a new element in the list? And what is a repetition operator in list? So here we have given answers, so you can go through. And next we'll see about deleting the element from list, built-in list on an operator, built-in list in methods. Thank you.